ready to play. I'll make a better meal of oatmeal. Oh, wow! Now we're cooking! What? Again? Is there nothing else? No. Bear, you know nothing about child nutrition. Not tasty enough. Not sweet enough. Ew, it's so sour. This thing is impossible to eat. Wait a minute. Turn the can over and open it. This really looks stale. Yum, yum, yum. Now that hit the spot. Nice porridge.